Hi, everybody. I just wanted to get on here, give you like an update of why I'm MIA, missing in action, because I'd usually be on here activated, energetic, and full of action. I'm posting videos, 7 videos a day sometimes, and then sometimes they may be shorts. But I haven't been on here because I've been taking care of me and my health. Had an issue last month that was like a wake up call, for real. And went to the doctor yesterday and got 2 doctor reports that I already knew because I've been on this journey, this right, correct path. And this time ain't no half stepping. There ain't no double cheeseburgers and french fries and diet coke no more. You understand me? Because those things will, can, and will lead you eventually to some problems. Okay, you could have diabetes, you could have kidney problems, you could get obese, have obesity problems, joint, knee, and joint pain problems, kidney problems, you name it. They're called diseases. And they're diseases because they are uncomfortable. They're not normal. You're not at ease, soldier. And you are a soldier. You are a warrior. Or are you? Because when you know better, you're supposed to do better. But who says that? Me. All this is based on my own lived experiences. Okay. I am sharing to hopefully encourage and inspire and motivate somebody to take care of themselves. Take care of yourself. Who else going to do it? The doctors help you. Doctors can be your friend if you let them. Do your own studies, do your own research. Ask Google and them, Alexa, all them. Siri, ask them if this, that, and the third will hurt you or harm you, or what this, that, and the third. What's the side effects of this medication that you're taking? Don't just take it because the doctor said, "Oh, you need to take this." We ask questions to your doctor. Say it. What's this for, doc? What exactly will it help? What organ? Is it helping my liver function, my kidney function? Is it helping my blood sugar go down? Is it doing this, that, and the third? And they have to tell you. And if they can't answer you, you better do your research. You better not take that medicine. Now, if it says something like may cause death, guess who's not taking it? Yours truly. And you shouldn't either. But anyways, this is not medical advice. It is actually medical. It's not something that you have to do because Shar said it. I'm just telling you what I did. Okay, what I'm doing. So I'm being consistent. I'm on a very healthy regimen path. My numbers have improved. Yesterday I went to 2 different doctors, not 2 different primary care doctors, but 2 different doctors. Period. Because I got a whole team of doctors now, and they're all helping me help me. Okay, helping me help me, along with everything I've been knowing and implementing. Whether it's okay, I do ginger and lemon and a lot of cinnamon. I've been doing smoothies. You know, we have berries. Berries are your friend. Okay, berries love your body. They love to go into your organs in your body, and they're good for the kidneys. They're good for a diabetic, type 2, type 2. But guess who's reversing the curse? Because that's what it is. The food we eat is toxic. It's horrible. It's bad. It may taste good, but it ain't supposed to go in our bodies. Half of it ain't supposed to. Maybe more than half. I don't know the statistics, but I know the sticks, all that, all the sticks, the French fries sticks, the potato sticks. None of that supposed to be, especially cooked with all that crazy grease they use at McDonald's. Come on now, stop going through the drive-thru because they knew my name by heart, baby girl. They knew my name by heart, honey. Extra pickle, right, Shar? Well, damn, how you know that? Because I've been there. I was a faithful customer at Burger King. Have it your way, baby. Oh, did I have it my way? Did I have it my way? Yes, I did. Give me some little extra mayonnaise. Put another slice of cheese in between the meat. Give me an extra patty. How come they charged me $2 yesterday for an extra patty? They charged me only $1 today. What's going on? Oh, what's going on? We're just ourselves. We can do better than this. Yes, we can. Y'all, we could do better. I'm doing better. I'm happy about the hospital. I'm happy about the hospital visit too, but I'm happy about my doctor visit yesterday. And my numbers is it's going down, down, baby. Cocoa pop, shimmy, pop, shimmy, cocoa pop. My numbers out of they are down. When they was sky high, all kind of numbers was crazy high, and now they crazy down. They asked me, what you doing? My doctor said, he came in the room, he's like, whatever you're doing, keep doing it. I don't even need to know what you're doing, but whatever you're doing you're doing the right thing. I'm really, really impressed with your numbers. Hey, it pays off. Hard work pays off. And then guess what? It's no longer hard work because it becomes easy. It becomes second nature. It becomes the thing to do. And speaking of nature, that's all I'm eating. That's pretty much all I'm eating. Yes, sir. I ain't stopped eating meat. I ain't plant-based just yet. But I'm definitely loading up on the cabbage, on the broccoli, on the Brussels sprouts, all kind of vegetables, just pounded it down. And as I pound it down, the pounds is coming off. Done lost 22 pounds already. Yes, sir. Happy about that too. I could just kiss myself. So, yeah, y'all, you could do it for real, for real. You could do whatever you put your mind to. I can do all things through Christ, 4:13. Philippians, what? I believe that's it. Yep. Check it. Let me know in the comments if it's wrong, if it's Galatians or if it's Philippians. I think it's Philippians. Yep. Philippians 4:13. Yep. I'm confidently gonna say yes. That's it. Anyway, been walking a little bit and got me a bike. Not a stationary bike, but I get to. Oh, it's so beautiful outside here where I live, y'all. Excuse me. Oh, eating some. I snack on these. I'm not even hungry right now, but when I do, I snack on these. I'm not going to eat it on TV because it takes too long to chew red bell peppers and apples and celery, peanut butter, all that stuff. You have to sit down and eat it, but not be talking like I'm doing now. So I just got it sitting there, and I'm going to probably end up eating it all. It's a whole bell pepper. I do the rainbow lately. I've been doing the spring salad mix, the green and the purple salad, leaves, lettuce, arugula, a lot of arugula, dandelion. A lot of this stuff has healing properties in it. I've been eating a lot of garlic, onions, mushrooms on salad. OMG. Make the mushrooms hot. Oh my God. I've been putting mushrooms on salad, girl. And what else? Hard-boiled eggs every other morning, and sometimes in the morning because I wasn't eating at all in the morning because I just never. I like psych myself out, like convince myself that if I don't eat until later on in the evening, and wonder why I ain't losing no weight because you're eating in the evening and you're laying down on it. Sometimes I just chill in the bed on my left side, okay? Had that remote control just turning and turning and turning and just biting and biting and eating my food. Even if it's healthy food. Even if it's some tuna and crackers or whatever. Tuna with tuna and tuna. Period. I'm sitting there. It's the time. So now I've learned to eat according to my circadian rhythm. Okay, my body. The melatonin and all that good stuff. We don't want to interrupt that. Okay, that a lot of things we do to ourselves, y'all. We with sometimes knowingly and sometimes unknowingly. But when you know better, you do better. Because my people perish for the lack of knowledge. So ask them, ask Siri, Alexa, all them, Google and them, what's happening. They can tell you about your own self more than we even know. We can get master degrees, doctor degrees, certificate back to back to back, herbalist degrees, and learn so much and heal ourselves. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. That's what's happening in this here body right now. I'm so thankful. So anyway, that's it. It's 10 minutes and that's long enough. And I appreciate y'all. Short timers, I miss you guys very much. Usually I'm full of energy. I'm doing 5, 6, 7, 8 shorts, videos a day. I've been lacking. I've been slacking on my videos. And that's okay because I'm back in full effect. Once I have make more time, I make more time. Grab the phone, push record. Right now I'm on the laptop, so I'm testing it out. And sometime I'll be doing 28, 30 minutes videos right on this laptop or even on my phone. It don't want to upload. It didn't catch the sound, and I have to delete it, and I'm done. After that video and it don't upload 3 days in a row, even on my piano channel, it does that. So I'm going to just invest in another laptop, or I think there's a shortage in one of my cords that might be going in and out. Yeah, I had uploaded one video and it was like muffled so bad you couldn't make out hardly no words. It sounded like I was underwater. Oh yeah, I've been having problems with the laptop. And then sometimes on the phone when I do a video, guess what? It just uploads like low. Like, I mean, not low, but it takes forever. It says uploading, and it'll say uploading for hours, 2 hours. I'm like, what? Sometimes it tell you, you have 91% left, or you have you're 75% there, you whatever, you know what I'm saying? And it stops. One time I'm like, oh, you got to be kidding me. This is not supposed to be like this. And then I kind of give up. And I'm like, okay, I just got to try tomorrow because something just ain't meant to be right now. You know what I'm saying? So here I am. I hope this video, I hope it does. I did a test run, so this should be good. You guys take care. I'll see you soon. Let me go ahead and stop this, and I'll see you guys. I'm going to try again tomorrow or even later on today, okay? Take care. Talk to me in the comments, y'all.